Hello, my name is Philip Ozil. I'm a developer evangelist at Salesforce, and today I'd like to present you my contribution for the AppExchange that's called the Streaming Monitor. So the Streaming Monitor is a tool that lets you monitor any kind of streaming APIs, be it PushTopic, generic events, platform events, or change data capture. So all of these APIs are supported, and we provide a user interface to monitor those. This contribution is provided with the Salesforce Labs, so it's actually a program for Salesforce employees to publish contributions on the AppExchange for free. You can also get the source code of this contribution, because it's open source, on my personal GitHub. Now let's jump into the demo itself. So here you see the Streaming Monitor. It's installed on an org, and it's actually a single tab with a set of 3 custom components. The reason why I created this contribution is the fact that we actually don't provide a user interface to monitor streaming events on the platform. So I realized that a lot of developers working with the streaming APIs, they really have to build custom and temporary tools to test those APIs. So I thought to myself, why not build and share a reusable tool that covers all types of streaming APIs? And this is what we have now. With this tool, you can actually subscribe to any type of events from the 4 API types, which are PushTopic, generic, platform events, and change data capture. You can do that. This will add some active subscriptions in here, and then you'll be able to receive incoming events for the types of APIs you have subscribed to. Now, one thing I realized when I was doing this tool is that generate requires a few clicks to configure the different types of event you'd like to subscribe, because each event for each API type has a specific configuration that you need to provide. So the tool does simplify things by replacing all the coding with clicks, but still it's a lot of clicks. So I thought to myself, why not simplify all of this and actually automatically detect all types of events registered on a given org? And this is why I built this tool, to subscribe to all events in a single click. Now with that, plus the ability to replay past events, you have something very powerful here. If I click here, it will automatically detect any event type that is registered on the org, and also replay all past events that are within the retention window. Now, here you can see I prepared a few things for this demonstration. There are change data capture events, platform events, PushTopic events, and also a generic event here. And you can see that I did a few tests before the demo. I prepared a set of sample data. If I open one of those things, you can actually see the details of the event. You can see the raw JSON that constitutes the payload, and you can see also some metadata associated with the event. Now, let's jump into something that is even more interesting. Let's look at some live events being published. So I'm going to publish a new event here. Let's say I'm going to publish a platform event, for example, here. And now I can enter directly here the JSON of my event. So because I know the format is actually with a custom field, which is a string, so it's a message, it's _c, and I can give it a value. Here, now I can publish my event. And we can see that there's a new event here. We just captured it here. Now let's have a look at another demo. Now I'm going to split my screen in two, and we're going to look at another view of my org here in which I can create accounts. What I did for this demo is that I set up change data capture and enabled it on accounts. So if I create a new account here, we should be receiving on the other window on the streaming monitor a change data capture event with the account name. Here, and if I hit save, we'll see the event appearing here in change events here. Now I can open this, and we can see all the detail with this account, and somewhere in here we have the name. We only have the name field because we only filled the name field. The more fields you add, of course, the more details you would have. That's the way change data capture works. So that's it for my demonstration here. This is the Aura version. There's a Lightning Web Component version that is in the work, so stay tuned. And remember, check out the AppExchange and my GitHub repository to get this component. Thank you very much.